Guess I need to turn down the radio. Get all this lined up before I start the video. Alrighty, guys. Hope you're doing all right tonight. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Alrighty, guys, we got 200V. It was a V. Now it's a HD. The gentleman had it, and he had an accident here a while back. Then he had another accident. He got a radio with a big amp in it, with the amp switch, and forgets to turn it off. Says he's not going to do that no more, so he should be all right. We put new transistors in it, took the variable out of it, made it a high drive, and just went all the way through it, made it like new again. Alrighty, guys, I'll be right back with you, and we'll do a test review. Alrighty, guys, we're back. 200HD. New transistors ready to go. Straight through SWR. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0. Let me turn the volts up. We'll just do. We're going to do about 14.8. Turn him on, input SWR, output PUP. Hello, worldwide. They do a little more with no variable. Get on down, 14.8. Healthy as a horse, like a new one. Look at our birds. 2,500 watt slug, top scale, 5,500. Right there is 500. Hello, worldwide. For almost 500 on a bird. Good little unit. Alrighty. Let's go on the Colossal Outdoor Dummy Load, LP100. Oh, hello, worldwide, 457. Get on down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 14.8. Keyed up. Get on down. Let's go to 13.8 just for example what a 40 watt radio would do to it. We're at 13.8, keyed up by 13.7. Worldwide, there's car volts or less than car volts, 13.7. 1, 2, I wanted to do that just to show him. Still do it. In the car, on the Colossal Outdoor Dummy Load. That's as good as it's going to get out of a 2-pill. Get on down. Somebody's trying to talk to me. Alrighty, guys. I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend and 10, 0 and 8 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.